Hey guys, today we are going to try the most crunchiest pickle, or said the most crunchiest pickle by everyone and their mom. Like, let's bring this out. The Grillo pickles, I've already opened them because I wanted to smell them. And they smell so good. They smell sour. And I bet they are sour actually, because they smell so good. Wait, I'm going to try the garlic piece. It's the little garlic piece. The garlic is good. Okay, let's try this. The Grillo spears. Okay, let's get one to try. I'm gonna get one of the smaller ones. Okay, so apparently it's really crunchy and it tastes really good and it's really sour. So let's try. Hold on. I'm gonna bring it up. Nah, this one was really crunchy, but this one's not very crunchy. We're gonna try another one really quick, but okay, I'm back after chewing it. We're gonna try another one. Is this one? No, I don't think this one's crunchy. How about this one? No. Maybe this one. Okay, no. I'm going with this one. Okay, so. That is so crunchy. Bro, this is so crunchy and it's so good. Oh my god, I recommend this. It's a 10 out of 10. It's so sour and so delicious. And they're like kind of like sweet too, like at the same time. And that's what they look like. It's the Grillo spears pickles. And it's so good. It has the little sticker on the top. This is so amazing. Like, it literally tastes like a cloud. Like, it's so good. The first one, it wasn't crunchy. Like, the first one that I tried, it wasn't crunchy. But it tasted so delicious. Like, you guys should really go get these. Like, this isn't sponsored or anything. But this is the most delicious pickle I have ever had. Like, ever. Bye. Peace out.